If you're looking for the best way to remove ants from your home or prevent ants from coming in, all you're going to need is a mason jar, some vinegar, and some orange peels. All you have to do is let the orange peels soak in the vinegar for about 2 weeks. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle and use this to clean your baseboards, your door frames, your doors in general, and the ants hate the citrus, so they're not going to want to cross that line, and it is easy as that. I keep a big half-gallon or a gallon even of orange peel infused vinegar underneath my sink at all times. It's the easiest way to make sure I have it when I need it. Plus I use this for a million other things, but that is one of the uses that I use my orange peel infused vinegar for.